guys, this is Cobra Tom.
And Van Lily.
And we are going to be doing a video today.
And the video we are doing is a quick look on the Nightstalker helicopter with pilot. Be all you can be with the Army. This is an Army helicopter and not an Air Force one. Oh boy. I set my knife down and now I found it. All right. Something I got for Christmas. It's very nice. All right. I'm glad there's tape on these, and I'm glad they support the box, but yeah, it's kind of making this box kind of not real nice to, okay, I guess you just, gosh, I guess you just kind of do that. Okay, did have another piece. I thought there was another piece to cut. Okay, I was really hoping not to have to destroy this box. I actually kind of really like these. I was really hoping not to have to destroy the box. But that's not... Okay, this is turning out to be a little more thing than I thought. Oh, another nice backdrop though. Try to take this piece of tape off without ripping a really nice backdrop. I think another one I have like this has a backdrop like this with a helicopter in the back. Okay. I am, however, pleased with how this is done though, because oh, that's how I set down my knife again. Oh, I always lose everything. I'm so bad at this. What did I just do with it? Okay, well. Right now, I think I can set that free. I do not know. Oh, now I found it. Okay. Yay, found it. Yay. Good. All's good. Okay. Very good. Okay. A little bit of junk. However, that little bit of junk secured it in there really nicely. That is really nice. This is not a review. This is just a unboxing and a quick look. So what I had, oh yeah, that is nice. Oh well, very cool. This is it's going to be a very cool quick look. All right, a piece of tape holding the figure in, which I probably actually should have kept it. Yeah, so there we go. That's really nice. That's really cool. I do not know what this is for. Because this was just sitting in the box. This wasn't even like, it was attached to something else. I don't know what this is. I'm confused what this is. I'm confused. Oh, can't do this to old men like me. We get confused very easily. Okay. We shall do this real quick. All right. Well, see, this is a very nice helicopter. Very cool thing. Put that away so that we can find it again, hopefully. Hopefully.
Well, thank you for watching, and we will see you
Next time.
Bye.